now, how did they get infected while they are at home? That's weird. You know, during Easter, for example, a lot of Italian people, like 30% of people in Milano went out. And so they, because it was a lovely day, lovely week, so they went out. You know, so they get infected. I don't know, we don't know how the situation is going to, but hi. Ooh, it's going to cook a little bit. Right. Here is going to cook. This is have to cook not too much, because we will put everything in the oven, right? So now a little bit of pepper if you like it, a little bit of salt if you like it. This is I have a special doses, special done for special quantity. Then I use, instead of besciamella, which is very fat, I use ricotta cheese. It's sea salt, yes, from Sicily. Ricotta cheese. Many Americans got infected at Super Bowl football game in February. It can be. And you know, the situation is, as we know, there are the healthy carrier, the asymptomatic that infected other people. It's difficult. It's difficult. We don't know how to react, right? We don't know how this virus is working. Buongiorno. So a little bit of ricotta cheese, because I don't like the, I mean, I like the besciamella, but it's a little bit too fat in my opinion. That looks smoother. What is the plan to reopen school? Not until September, Janice, not until September. And they will do exams now for the school, the high school, and everything online. And maybe in September, but they are not sure because it's too, now they don't know anything. It's too complicated. Shut down until September. You know, this is a nice ricotta, not bad. Creamy, smooth, quite tasty, to be sincere. And then grana padano. Yeah. I have my grana padano already ready. So ricotta cheese. Sorry, you can stay any longer. Hi, Timo, no problem. Thank you for popping up. It's a pleasure. Say hi to your family. How is the situation there? I hope you all are okay. So I've prepared a lot of, this is Parmigiano Reggiano, it's Parmesan. The good ricotta, the fresh one is the best, which is very, it's very light and it's very tasty. This one, it's not I mean, it's a fresh one, but it's, you can buy it at the supermarket. But I've tried a lot and it's one of the best. It's the milk, the milk inside of the animal. It's very good. So now we have this. Yeah, I have it there. Now you melt everything. prepare everything. Yeah, it's going to be good, and not 3 eggs it's for 3-4 people, so it's not too yeah, you know, not too fat. I usually cook quite oh wait, my zucchini, I need to add some water. I had to add some water to my zucchini. I tend to cook very, you know, light, otherwise I need to practice my yoga, go out. So then yeah, my mom used instead of ricotta, she used the besciamella, which is very, very, thank you, Mr. Killuminati, nice. Thank you for sharing, thank you. My mom used a besciamella, a real one. She does besciamella, she cooks her besciamella, which is very good, but you eat that and for 24 hours you are okay. Thank you. Thank you, Dave, grazie. Thank you for sharing. In Italian, grazie per aver condiviso. Sharing is condiviso. Italian. Do you sometimes cottage cheese? Yes. I use sometimes also, because this is, I use also milk cheese. I use sometimes also ham, or it depends. Sì, siamo a Milano. So now here it's ready. Sharing is caring. You are very right. Thank you. Sharing is caring. Fontina, yes, you know Fontina. No, besciamella, it's done with, it's heavier, it's fattier. Usually they use besciamella, which is done with milk, and it's very creamy, very fat. It's yummy, Dave, it's yummy, it's very good. But, you know, after that, not good for, if you want to, yeah, besciamella. Bechamel, you call it? I prefer this kind of cheese, which is, yeah, it's heavy, it's very good, it's very good. Italian language, it's easy or hard to learn? It's difficult to learn because it comes from Latin and has a lot of declination. Yeah, bechamel sauce. Yeah. If you want the recipe, Dave, of this one, you just go on my Twitter account. I think a couple of weeks ago I've uploaded just the recipe with all the ingredients and the weights and everything. Heavy stuff, butter, milk, flour, yeah, exactly. My mom, she used to cook her own, but you know, it's good, but after that you have to have 3 special classes of yoga to burn the bechamel, you know. We are almost ready. Do you like scamorza cheese? You know a lot of Italian cheese. Yes, I love scamorza, it's very good. Very, very good. Right? We're almost there. Here is cooking. Our zucchini are almost ready. Zucchini and leek, and I'll add the cherry tomato after that. Yes, I've done my bechamel, but it's also as well done with the same cheese because yeah, little bit heavier than this one. This is very light. So leek and zucchini are okay to cook with water, just water. But cherry tomato, no. You see? Cherry tomato from Sicily, but if you cook this, they will disappear, they will melt. So it's better to use it on the top of your quiche. I mean, I like the taste of cherry tomato, and so I prefer to use it when it's finished, when it's done. Because I don't like when they melt, you know, you don't see the vegetable anymore. Almost ready.